them niggas right there?
Yeah, they got a lack. Pull up.
I'm finna cut the lights off, man. Pull around the back, man.
Fuck these niggas up. Look, hey, this is what I want you to do. Meet me at the corner. I'ma cut through the alley and meet you around, alright?
Let's go, fold them.
Alright, check. Gang! Gang! It's that street shit. Hey. Phone up. Hey. It's that gang shit. Which gang? Hey.
I hit the club without my ice on. I turn the lights on, my tool on me. Who this nigga stand on my jewelry? Gang with me, bang with me. We start shooting in the club. If you're scared to tote a gun, you can't hang with me. Run up in your bitch house, where them kilos got some bald-headed Mexican. Shout out my amigos, I knock on a nigga though. Shoot him through the peephole. I just knocked the nigga out where he was mugging me. 4 number killers in my squad don't make me call up Tito. Young nigga, but it's storing niggas like I'm Debo. They didn't let me in with this pole, they should've searched me at the door. This nigga blood on my shoes, stomp the nigga in the flow. Say you love me, baby, what's the mean in this shit? I don't drink codeine, I ain't with that lean in this shit. Got a new tube, put a red beam on that bitch. Never wife a bitch, I never bought a ring for a bitch. You gon' make me pull up on your motherfucking block. Get the clap and I shoot your ass 187. Fuck this rap shit. Tag 9s, y'all 15s in the Mac 10. I'm out west where we gang bang and kidnap shit. And shooters in your house, bitch. Since you wanna sneak this on the internet, Twitter beat, nigga tweet this now. I run up on your ass from behind. Now you lacking. Bullets hit your ass in your spine. Boy, you acting. You get caught in that jam and drop a dime. Bitch was giving my man's top while I was hitting her from behind. It's that street shit. Call folding them, we on that heat shit. Hot shit. Pull up on your block, then drop shit. We pop shit. I'm robbing jeans, sagging. I ain't with all of that rock shit. My toolie cop, call my gun connect. He bring me stupid Glock. Stupid watch, filled with stupid diamonds. I don't even know what time it is. I better know where my